Hey people, in that video, I went into the salon just to do my nails because if I don't do it, the dry skin within my nails, it's gonna be hurting. So when I get inside the salon, they are already full. No manicurist vacant, so I have to wait until some of them are done doing the customer's nails. So while I'm waiting, I have a chance to talk videos because it's gonna be fun that as you can see the customers that are enjoying while the manicurist did their nails and even others closing their eyes, they feel at home because inside the salon it's cold, it's easy. So there's easy, so it's gonna be very comfortable for us who staying there. And as you can see, most of the customers are elders, ladies, mostly are seniors, citizens. So yeah, and while I'm waiting, they just let me soaking my feet so that it's gonna be soft when they about to take off my dry skin into my nails. So don't forget to click subscribe to those who are not done yet subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. God bless.